8 years closed, a $2 billion renovation, and one of the most famous hotel addresses in the world. The Waldorf Astoria New York is finally back, with fewer rooms, larger layouts, and prices that can easily reach around $1,500 a night. So what do you actually get now? And who is this hotel really worth it for? The location is hard to beat. You are on Park Avenue in Midtown Manhattan. Central Park is about 10 minutes away on foot. Fifth Avenue is right there. Grand Central is close too. So if you want classic New York, this works really well. You can do a lot by walking, and that matters in Manhattan. From the outside, the building fits Park Avenue perfectly. Classic, serious, very New York. But once you step inside, it feels completely different. Long corridors, paintings, statues, Art Deco details everywhere. It almost feels like walking through a museum. Before the renovation, this was a huge hotel with around 1,400 rooms. Today, the hotel site is much smaller with 375 rooms and 78 suites. The top floors became private residences. For guests, the important part is simple. The rooms got much bigger. And in Manhattan, that is not a small detail. Our junior suite was 620 square feet. For Manhattan, this is a serious amount of space, and what I liked most, the space was actually usable. You have a real entry area, room for luggage, a dressing area, the bed, a desk, a sofa, and then the large marble bathroom in the back. The view was into a quiet courtyard. Not dramatic, but honestly, for this room it worked. The details were strong as well. Aesop amenities, proper shower, minibar, and then the welcome gift with the orange theme. If you book the Waldorf Astoria through GajaDreams Hotels, you can access VIP benefits. This can include $100 hotel credit, daily breakfast credit for two, room upgrade priority, and double Hilton Honors points on top of your regular Hilton Honors status benefits. At the time of this video, there is also a Stay 3, Pay 2 promotion. Peacock Alley is probably the room I would not skip here. You walk in and see the famous clock with the Statue of Liberty on top. The whole room has its own mood. The bar, the piano, the waiters in suits, the hostesses in evening gowns. It is formal, but here it fits. We had dinner here, and for me this is part of the Waldorf experience. Maybe not because of the burger alone, but you come here for the room, the setting, and the feeling of being at the Waldorf. Breakfast is at Lex Yard, a la carte. The menu makes the point pretty quickly. Breakfast for two can add up fast. Quality was good. The setting looked nice, and this is exactly where a breakfast credit becomes useful. So is the Waldorf Astoria worth the price? For the right guest, yes. Book it if you want classic New York, Park Avenue history, big rooms, formal service, a hotel that feels like an occasion. This is not the hotel you book for a trendy rooftop, a downtown scene, or a sleek modern design vibe. New York has plenty of hotels for that. The Waldorf is different. It is old school, polished, and priced accordingly. But if that is the experience you want, there is nothing else quite like it. Watch this video next to learn more about adding VIP benefits with GajaDreams Hotels.